Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Breadcoin on Bybit. Now we are on CoinMarketCap, and here on markets, as you can see, the Bybit is on the third exchange and it's pretty good. Then we know that it's on Bybit and we can buy it here. You want to go ahead to Bybit. There's a few ways how you can buy bread. So first way would be to buy crypto. Click one buy. Now you're gonna go ahead and choose the currency you want to spend. Then you're gonna choose bread. You will find it here by typing bread. But if you don't have a balance, you will need to go ahead and do a fiat deposit. Now, another way to buy bread is go to your trade spot trading. Once you are here, you want to go ahead and click right there. And you want to go ahead and enter it bread. And here you will find it. Click on it. As you can see, the base network. Here you can go ahead, enter the amount you want to go ahead and buy, order value, and you can buy it with USDT. If you have USDT, that's really great. Then you can go ahead and buy it with it. And just click buy bread. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.